Hello, Green Ember fans! Today we are celebrating the book birthday of The Wreck and Rise of Whitson Mariner. Whitson Mariner leads his displaced rabbits into new dangers on a journey to their undiscovered home. Happy Mail made its way to happy fans as they immediately embarked on this journey with Whitson and his crew.
The Wreck and Rise of Whitson Mariner. Yeah!
So I can't wait till Christmas. All right, guys, do you want to see what came?
Yes.
Now let's hear what S.D. Smith has to say about Whitson's wreckage, ruin, and rise.
The Wreck and Rise of Whitson Mariner. It's a mouthful. It's a big, long title for a pretty short book. And it's the sequel to The Blackstar of Kingston, and it precedes Prince Lander and the Dragon War. Those three books together make the Old Natalia trilogy. So this middle one, The Wreck and Rise of Whitson Mariner, or Wreck and Rise, or Whitson Mariner, it fits right in the middle, and I love it. It's halfway on this journey of what the three books take us through, and I love the development of these characters. Particularly in this book, it's Whitson's journey, and what is Whitson going through? He's going through a wreck, a ruin, a failure. And the whole question is, where does his power come from? Like, who is he, and how does he achieve the rise that needs to come out of the ruins of this wreckage? Does he need to do it alone? Is he alone? That's kind of the questions that are explored in this book. And I really enjoyed writing the book, and I enjoyed that exploration.
Here's what you are saying about The Wreck and Rise. Experience the history of Natalia in this book. It's really cool to read these stories and to see where things have led to in the Green Ember series. This book is amazing. I hope S.D. Smith comes out with more Old Natalia books like this one. Thank you for taking the time to review these books. We mean it when we say we really appreciate it. You can do so at Amazon, Goodreads, or Audible. Now, as you know, S.D. Smith is a best-selling author and a beloved dad. But there is another title well associated with him, Eater of Cookies. It just so happens that The Wreck and Rise shares a birthday month with National Cookie Day.
Coincidence? I think not!
What better way to celebrate a Rabbits with Swords birthday than with rabbit and sword cookies? We used rabbit and sword cookie cutters and had a blast making and eating these Green Ember inspired cookies. We love to see your creations. Use the hashtag Rabbits with Swords and tag SD Smithereens on Instagram and Facebook for a chance to be featured in our next video. If you are new to Green Ember, you can get started with the first audiobook for free. And if you would like your very own copy, you can find The Wreck and Rise of Whitson Mariner at the S.D. Smith Family Store, and it's on Amazon in audiobook, ebook, and print form, or at your favorite bookstore. And while you're at it, grab some free coloring pages when you give me 5 at sdsmith.com. Thank you for celebrating the book birthday of The Wreck and Rise of Whitson Mariner with us.